on here with Monster Transmissions to teach you all about 6L80s and the RTD. This little device here, it's going to allow you to read out the factory tune out of your stock transmission and then rewrite into your new Monster Transmissions Techum with your original file. So the first thing we're going to want to do is grab your smartphone and download the app. It's called Tune Delivery Network, or TDN, by HP Tuners. Then we'll open that bad boy. We'll accept the terms. We'll agree. Wants to use Bluetooth, we'll do that. Allow. Now it's going to teach us how to set everything up. Next thing is to plug in our device into the OBD port. The RTD device into the vehicle, just did that. And we look for a steady green light, which we're almost there. There we go. Click ready. Press and hold the Bluetooth button. Hit next. Oh, all finished. Perfect. Let's see that. Alrighty. Now we want to go up into, just check all of our settings. Looks like we're all connected. Oh, we did that. We're going to just sync it, make sure everything's happy. Okay, that's all good. All right. We're just about ready to read out the stock file, so we want to get a battery charger going on the truck first. We got a charger on the truck, so we're going to go back to our app and start reading out the file. Read. Oh, now it says we want to log in or create an account. We better do that real quick. Okay, we're going to hit read vehicle, and now it's going to tell us to turn the ignition to the on position, so run but not start. And we'll click ready. Now it's connecting to the device. We're not just this program doesn't just read out the transmission file, it's actually reading out the ECM and the TCM file, okay, and saving it so you have a full calibration saved. And we'll be rewriting the entire one over again. It's the least complicated way to complete the task. So, okay, we're completed reading out the stock files, and they've all been sent up to the TDN, Tune Delivery Network for Monster. So it just says right here, your vehicle tune has been read and uploaded to your account. So we're going to hit OK. It's going to show up now. And I'm just going to click on it real quick. And it's going to show a restore file, which is the one we read out. And it's auto-created a write file. That's the one we're going to use to put back in the truck once the transmission has been replaced. So we are safe to turn the key off, disconnect the charger, and swap out the transmission. So that completes reading out your stock file and saving it to the network. At this point, you can remove your stock transmission, your failed transmission, and install your replacement Monster transmission. And then we'll get back to it and teach you how to write the new file back in.
Oh, that is terrific.
Okay, now that you've installed your Monster transmission, we are going to reconnect to the truck, which I got the RTD device already in the OBD2 connector. And we're going to take our Monster created 6L write entire template file, and we're going to flash that into the truck. So first we're going to, we'll click on that one real quick. Okay, we're going to select our file. We're going to select write. It needs to be sent. So we're going to sync files, it says. That should just take a second. Here they come. I guess this takes a second. You hit the right button. I wonder if it's turned it. No, I'm going to turn the key on first. I'm just old habits. It'll probably tell me to do that next, but we're just going to do that. And we'll hit right. Please plug. Oh, it's telling me right now. Plug in the RTD and turn the ignition to on, but do not start the engine. You will need to keep the app open nearby the RTD unit until the process is complete. It is recommended to have the vehicle on a battery charger during long write times, which we're doing. Okay, we're good to go. Hit OK. And now we're thinking again. Well, there's a little bit of time involved in this, but it's all going very smoothly. Time remaining. This segment says 15 seconds left. That's pretty quick. And now it waits a few seconds before it jumps into the next controller. And one more to go. The write has been all completed. We have a screen to say OK. And everything should be good. So back out of that menu. And I'm just going to check some codes real quick in case we said any. No fault codes. And OBD monitors need to be reset after driving, no problem. All right. Now we'll test fire the vehicle. And everything looks happy. That's it. We've read out your stock file out of your original transmission. We've written the file back into your new Monster transmission. And your vehicle is ready for the quick learn and test drive.